The night is going to be break number 1 of our 2024 Tristar Hidden Treasures autographed basketball. So this one's got some big names. Kobe Bryant is the biggest. You've got Ja Morant. You've got guys like Donovan Mitchell, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. You've got Dr. J, Jalen Brunson, D. Wade. There's some big names in this. So every spot in the break is going to give you 3 random teams. So, Rick, you've got 4 spots. Donnie's got 1. Danny's got 1. Brent has got 3. And then, Deborah, you closed us out with the last spot. So, if you guys are in the live stream tonight, we're doing giveaways for everybody watching live. So, we're giving away our Gold Rush autographed 8x10 extravaganza. So, every order that's placed tonight while we're live, we've got about we may extend it to about 10:15 or something Eastern Standard Time. So we got another half an hour or so. So you're going to be entered to win that giveaway. So 3 teams per spot. Let's go ahead and randomize our teams, mix them up a little bit. All right, 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this and match them up. We're going to be live every Sunday night. I think the only night we're not breaking this month is the 23rd. But we'll be moving our breaks all summer long to Sunday nights. So hopefully a little bit more convenient for a lot of you guys, especially if you work during the week. And we're doing a free case break of that Gold Rush extravaganza here at the end of the month. All right, here are your listed teams. So, Brent, you've got the Hawks, the Bulls, the Wizards, the Trailblazers, the Grizzlies, the Thunder, the Knicks, the Pistons, and the Magic. Danny's got the Celtics, Lakers, and the Nets. Deborah with the Raptors, Timberwolves, and Cavs. Donnie's got the Kings, the Heat, and the Pacers. And then, Rick, you've got the Mavericks, the Spurs, the Sixers, the Suns, Hornets, Rockets, Bucks, Jazz, Pelicans, Nuggets, Clippers, and the Warriors.
Sacrifice bunt this year, but that was his only one since 2018. Arenado goes to trash. He chops it to win. Had it in his glove, bobbled it. He's able to recover.
All right, guys, there are your list of teams.
That was close. I'm interested in seeing the conversation that Arenado's going to have with Win right now.
All right, let's see if we can pull a big name in here. So here's the tape. Sealed on the top and bottom. They got Wemby in this too. I forgot. That's kind of a big name. All right, so it's going to be, let me make sure before I open this. You guys know it's going to be based on the team that the player played for the longest. So it's not so much current team. It's going to be length of service. Unless there's a specific year or team inscribed on the basketball. All right, here's the name. We're going to pull that aside. All right, I think we're going old school here. It looks like Bob McAdoo. It is going to be Bob McAdoo. So there's no team or year inscribed on the basketball. So let's look him up.
0-2 from Kittredge. Swing and a miss. Andrew Kittredge went with a slider. Stubbs retired. 2 down.
So he kind of bounced around. He got 5 seasons in Buffalo, 4 with the Lakers. So Buffalo is currently the Clippers. So it was the Buffalo Braves, then the Clippers. So the Clippers is going to be going to Rick. So Rick, you're going to be scoring the Bob McAdoo. Nice Hall of Fame basketball there. Got the Tristar sticker on there as well. All right, so we'll get that basketball in the mail tomorrow. Rick, congratulations, man. We'll look at grabbing another box or 2 of this. So be on the lookout for that to hit the website here soon.